tonight, the amount of love that we received today. And I'm so thankful that each and every one of you is inside my life. Our life. And to Anya, thank you for always being my moral guide, for always being my moral compass, for telling me when I'm wrong, for telling me off na kung ano yung minsan na dapat gawin ko na hindi ko ginagawa. Thank you so much, Anya. My best friend. I love you so much. Kaya lang din naman po ng sinabi niya, I just want to thank all of you for being here today, for being here today. Malayo po yung venue na to, but you guys really give effort po para sa aming dalawa, which shows and which sobrang nakakatuwa po kasi that shows how much you love us and how much you care for us. So I want to thank each and every one of you for being here today. And sa mga Nandyan? Sa mga may ingay dyan, thank you for sa mga may ingay dyan, thank you for being here today kasi malayo po to, and talaga naman pong pumunta sila to my grade 10 friends na until ngayon nandito pa rin. I love you guys so much. And to everyone po, thank you so much po for being here today po. And to Nina, alam mo ako rin. I just want to say that I'm very thankful for your life. I always thank the Lord because I have you. I have you in my life. Na gaya nga ng sinasabi ko palagi, I am who I am today because she sacrificed a lot. Because ang dami niyang sinacrifice, ang dami niyang hindi ginagawa so that I can be comfortable, so that I can be who I am without me needing to filter everything. So ayun lang. I love you so much, Nina. You're my best friend.
Yay! And with that, thank you so much for having you all guys with this special celebration. We thank the Lord for your lives, and the events end. So signing off, this is your host for tonight. I'm Grace. At salamat po muli sa lahat ng mga taong mukhang nakikita ko ngayon. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and God bless sa ating pag-uwi. Salamat po! And for our next part po, meron po ata kayong party. Mama, ayan, let's have a party! Thank you, Master Katsir! Salamat po sa ating food from our Mommy Gemma, for our gracing table with Mommy Ann and Mommy Maricel. Thank you so much for the sound system. Thank you so much, Briggs.